Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase your constitution in Smith. This is important cause high constitution lets you equip weapons you can use right now. To start, head to the road between Heaven's Spear and Blissful Retreat. You will always find them running along this path. Whenever you see them, press F to interact and join the run. There's also an entry option called Veil of Heaven entry clue which lets you join directly. I'm not running the full laps here since it takes some time, but that's all into do. The second method is clearing forts. On the world map, this show up with a red watchtower icon. Be careful with this cause some forts have high level enemies. Once you reach a fort, clear the area completely. Some locations have non-violent solutions, so always read the description before starting. Each fort gives you 5 constitution points, which make this one of the fastest ways to level it up. On top of that, you can also gain small amounts of constitution from wrestling mini games and daily town tasks. These usually have daily limits, but they still help over time. Overall, jogging with the Veil of Heaven group and clearing forts will give you the biggest gains. Use this consistently and your constitution will increase quickly. And that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.